If you're a low maintenance person when it comes to installing wigs and you haven't got time for the full customization, then this video is for you. Make sure you carry on watching so that you can hear more about this company that sells ready to go wigs. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are all doing very well. If you're new here, my name is Liz. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload new videos. As you can tell by the title and the intro, this video is a hair video. So yeah, this video is a collaboration with Wiggins Hair to test out their ready to go wigs. Once it arrived, washed, conditioned, and then installed. Thankfully, this arrived, I want to say, just over a week after confirming it had been shipped. There was no smell. It came in a nice little box which came with other bits, a band, I want to say a wig cap, and a nice bag to actually keep your hair in, which I think is handy. I believe it's 24 inches. Exact length will be in the description bar below. It's a 7x4 closure. For those of you that left closures, you can now come back because there's wigs like this that are already fully customized and look good. And the lace itself is already cut for you, so you don't even have to worry if you're someone that's like, you know, you're not steady-handed, or if you have mobility issues, then this is also handy. It just arrives like that. I.e., you don't have to bleach the knots or re-bleach it if you mess up. You don't have to pluck the hairline or pluck the part. You don't have to add the band and add clips, nor do you have to tint the lace, nor do you have to do any other extra steps that comes with customization of your wigs. But yeah, carry on watching to see how I installed this unit from Wiggins Hair. So this is the wig and it's for Glory. Curly, long. There's an adjustable strap in here which comes handy, and it's got 3 clips in here, so 1, 2, 3. You can actually take these off if for whatever reason you don't want them on. I just adjusted the strap and put this on, and this feels so secure and snug. Personally, when it comes to my wigs, I like to do it with no makeup on, so that when I'm spraying the glue it doesn't mess up my makeup. So to lay this wig, what I'm going to use is some Got To Be spray. But yeah, what I'm doing is just spray some Got To Be. Ooh, this is cold. See, if I was wearing makeup, this would have been all over. My makeup would have been ruined. Leave it to get tacky, then I put one more layer. So yeah, now that's a bit tacky, I'm going to spray it one more time. Okay. And if you like to melt your wigs, of course, melt your lace, of course you can do that. So just pull it to where you want it to lay. Okay. So this is what I do. Of course, if you prefer baby hairs, then you can pluck that. I'm going to start off with no baby hairs, and then I want you guys to let me know if you think I should add baby hairs to this or not. The lace on this feels very thin, which is good. We like that. So once I've done it like this, I like to spray over it one more time. So I'm just using my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Spray on top, and I use my fingers just to press it in. Spray on top. Hope you can see, so I've just sprayed on top, and then this is when I get the blow dryer. Then you can use a comb to just press it in. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. You know, I just use that comb to press it all in. Then I'm gonna get some mousse. I'm thinking, do I want baby hair or not? You know what, like, let me stick to what I said before. Let's stick with no baby hairs to begin with. Yep, so using this brush, just comb this part in just to lay this part a bit more. It also helps, yeah, with the flyaways, if there's any. But it doesn't look like there's any with this, to be fair, which is good. You know, how have you guys been? It's been ages since I've done one of these, you know. I told you guys already, I just felt like I didn't have as much time to do YouTube videos compared to back when I was much younger. Now I'm just gonna put the band on. It comes with a band which is very handy, so you can use that to help melt your lace even more. Okay, so just gonna pop that on. I feel like the tighter the better, but you don't want it to be too tight where there's no blood circulation. You know, you want to breathe. You don't want to pass out because of laying your wig. So doing this is going to help this melt even more. See, if I was wearing makeup, it would be ruined because I can feel the glue. So I'm just going to use some wipes. So yeah, I'm just cleaning this off because I'm getting ready to go out. So yeah, I'm definitely going to wear some makeup, so let's clean this up. Whilst the band is on, I can now play about with the hair a bit more, then I'll do some makeup. So first I'm going to start off with using some mousse. So get whatever mousse that you like. I feel with mousse it helps define the curls even more. So we're going to apply that all over so you can see what I mean. No, just with my hands I'm rubbing that all in my hair. This helps. I want to do this step by step so it's easy for you guys to achieve if you decide to purchase this wig without the mousse. You can see the difference. Now let me get up for you to see. Mousse, add a bit more on the ends. And literally just rubbing it through with my fingers, as you can see. Look at that. And look at this, you know? So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So this is what we're looking like. It's giving beach wavy. This has defined the curls, as you can see. And if you feel like you need to add some shine, you can add a bit of serum in it. The serum that I'm using today is one that I used on my natural hair. This is by Naughty. Taking a few pumps, 1, 2, 3. That should be enough for the whole head. And it helps with the frizz, if there is any frizz. And then it also adds a bit of shine to it, which is always a bonus. But yeah, you can leave the hair in its natural form as you saw, or if you like to get a bit more defined curls, then you can obviously do this. I'm gonna leave this to melt on for a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go put on some makeup and then I'll be right back. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. I absolutely love it. It was so simple and easy to install. I want to come up close and personal so you guys can see what the hairline is looking like. Yeah, I hate the fact that my blind ass I couldn't see properly. So it's, you know, a bit off middle part, but I think it looks really good. I'd love to know you guys' thoughts on this wig. Do you think this is a yay or a nay? For the spring/summer season, this is a wash and go kind of wig that you can chuck on, and I appreciate Wiggins Hair for trusting me to install and test this out and share with you guys. But of course, all the deets about this will be in the description bar below, so make sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this install video. I guess I shall see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.